In 1985, a hardworking Houston family turned a dream into a reality and founded a small business based on three core principles: be hardworking, be trustworthy, and go beyond for the people you serve. 37 years later and nearly 1 million households served, Three Men Movers is one of the most well-known and respected companies in Texas. Along with award-winning moving and packing services, Three Men Movers Self-Storage is leading the way for Houstonians that demand high-quality storage solutions for their most prized possessions. Located in the heart of Houston, Three Men Movers Self-Storage is ideal for people looking for an easy-to-access, state-of-the-art storage facility that keeps your belongings safe and protected. With a wide variety of storage sizes available, you'll have no problem choosing the perfect storage unit to fit your needs. And right now, you can take advantage of our Good People, Great Movers promotion. Pay for 1 month and get your second month free. Contact us today to learn more.